Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. As in the last video, we started with exercise 3.13.2. Now, today we are going to continue with the same exercise from question number 3. In that it is given, say true or false and justify your answer. True है या false है और answer को भी justify करना है. So first one is given 10 into 10 to the power 11 is equal to 100 to the power 11. So for that we have to do it in the form LHS and RHS. So LHS is what? 10 into 10 to the power 11. So it will be what? 10 to the power 1 plus 11. 11. Student, if you remember, I told you if nothing is being there means it is 1. So 1 plus 11, so it will become 10 to the power 12. Now RHS is what? 100 to the power 11. Now 100 to the power 11 can be written what? क्योंकि 10 है ना base. So what we can do is 100 we can mention it as 10 square. 10 tens are is 100 to the power 11. So now power of power means what? We have to multiply. So 10 to the power 11 to the is 22. So by here now we can compare 10 to the power 12 and here 10 to the power 22 is coming. So therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. So here this answer will come false. Same way second one, 2 cube is greater than 5 square. So again the same thing, LHS is equal to 2 cube, which is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. RHS is equal to 5 square, that is 5 into 5, that comes to 25. अब क्या बोला है, 2 क्यूब बड़ा है 5 स्क्वायर से. So here we can see that 5 square is greater. Therefore again LHS is not equal to RHS. Again it goes as false. Third one is being given that 2 cube into 3 square is equal to 6 to the power 5. So what we will do, LHS is equal to 2 cube into 3 square. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 8 9s are 72. Now RHS is equal to 6 to the power 5. So 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. So 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36. So 36 into 36. 6 3s are 18, 21 0, 6 3s are 18, 1, 6 9 2 and 1. Still one more 6 is being remaining because 6 6 are 36 and 6 6 are 36. This 6 is remaining, that's why 6 6 are is again 36. So 3 6 9 are 54 plus 3 is 7 5 7 2 6 2s are 12 plus 5 is 17 1 3 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7. So it is coming 7,776. So again LHS is not equal to RHS and the statement is false. Fourth one is 3 to the power 0 and 1000 to the power 0. So LHS is equal to 3 to the power is 1. RHS is equal to 1000 to the power 0 is equal to also 1. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS and the statement is true. क्योंकि यहाँ पे बोला है justify your answer, so that's why we have to do all this process. This was your question number 3. Now let us move to question number 4. In question number 4, again it is given express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form. Question number 4, 108 into 192. अब इनका प्राइम फैक्टर के फॉर्म में ही we have to write it in the exponential form. So first what we'll do, we'll find the prime factors for 108. So it will go 2 5s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 1 and 4 14, 2 7s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Now 192, 2 9s are 18, 1 and 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 1 and 6 16, so 2 8s are, 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 3s are, and 3 1s are. Now after doing this, 108 is equal to 2 square into 3 cube. 192 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 3. But now we have to write it in the form of 108 into 192. So that will be equal to 2 square plus 6 into 3 cube plus 1. That comes to 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 4 will be the answer for your first one. So this is what we have to. So this is how we have to solve the sums. If you want, you can write 108 into 192 is equal to this into this, and then if you want to add, it's your wish, but the method will be same. Now 270 you can do it by yourself. 200 third one I am doing it. Third one 729. Okay, third one you do it, second one I am doing, otherwise you will not have the practice of that. 270 is being there. Now 270, simple, what you can do it, just find out prime factorization. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 and 0, so 2 5s are 10. 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9, so it will go by 3, 3 4s are 12, 1 and 5, 3 5s are 15, 3 15s are, 3 5s are, and 5 1s are. So therefore 270 is equal to 2 into 3 cube into 5 will be the answer. Now same way third and fourth you have to do it by yourself. Now I hope so you understood how to do it. Now question number 5, the last question of the exercise. In that we have to simplify the question is 2 to the power 5 the whole square into 7 cube upon 8 cube into 7. Here the base are not same, so we have to make the base same. Here it is 8, so we have to make it there. 2, first power of power will be multiplied, so 2 to the power 10 into 7 cube upon 2 cube the whole power cube into 7. 2 cube क्यों आया, क्योंकि 2 to the 4 to the 8, so 3 times. When you will multiply 2, you will get the answer as 8, and 8 का power क्या था, 3, that's why it kept outside. So 2 to the power 10, 3 3s will be what, the one more step एक ज़्यादा लिख देते हैं इस पर, no problem. 2 to the power 9 into 7, so 2 to the power 10 minus 9 into 7 cube minus 1, so the answer comes 2 into 7 square. Understood? 8 we had changed into what, to cube. 2 to the 4 to the 8, so then 3 3s is 9, 10 minus 9 is 1, so no need to put us 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2, so that is your answer. Now same way second one is being there, it's 25 into 5 square into t to the power 8 upon 10 cube into t to the power 4. Now here little bit you need to be careful. Now 25 I can write it as 5 square, here 5 square t to the power 8. Now 10 I can write what, 2 into 5, 10 to the power 3 into t to the power 4. Now here you have to understand what had happened. 25 को क्या कर दिया, 5 square वैसा को वैसा, t to the power 8 as it is. Now 10 we had made 2 into 5, so now this 3 power is for both of them. Okay, here you have to be careful. यहाँ पे 2 जो है that is sorry, 3 power is being there, it is for 2 also and 5 also. So when we will open that bracket, what it will be written, इन दोनों को ऐड कर दो, 2 plus 2 into t, 8 minus 4 कर दो इसको, और नीचे क्या आ जाएगा, 2 cube into 5 cube. मैंने क्या बोला था, ये पावर दोनों के लिए, so 2 cube into 5 cube, so now it becomes 5 to the power 4 into t to the power 4 upon 2 cube into 5 cube. Now what you can do, cut हो जाएगा if you want to cut, or you can subtract it here directly. So the answer which you will get, that will be 5 into t to the power 4 upon 2 cube. Okay, so this will be your final answer, that 2 to the power, sorry, 5 into t to the power 4 upon 2 cube. If you want to write, you can write 5 into t is 5 t to the power 4 upon 2 cube. Now t to the power 4, 5t लिखा है, मीन्स 5 को भी पावर 4 नहीं है, 5 t to the power 4 means t को ही power 4 है. So both the way you write it is correct. Now in this third one you are going to do it by yourself. Just be careful, वहाँ पे भी 10 to the power 5 दिया है, so it will be 2 5s are 10, 6 to the power 5 is being given, so it will be 2 into 3 in this manner. 25 again you can convert it into 2 5 square. So just do it properly. भले एक दो स्टेप्स बढ़ जाता है अगर लिखने का, no problem, but once you will learn how to do this sum properly, it will be easiest thing, nothing hard is being there. So in the next video, the last exercise of your textbook we will complete. So till then, thank you and take care.